Ever been stranded on the side of the road with a dead battery? It's a frustrating experience, but fear not. Today, we're diving into a lifesaver, the Gillaway 001B 3000A Car Jump Starter Battery Pack. This compact powerhouse is your ultimate roadside companion, ready to rescue you from any battery-related predicament. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Gillaway 001B 3000A Car Jump Starter Battery Pack, a lifesaver for anyone on the road who doesn't want to be left stranded with a dead car battery. This compact, powerful jump starter isn't just for emergencies. It's packed with features and extra functionality that make it essential for car owners, especially during those colder months when car batteries tend to fail more often. Introduction to the Gillaway 001B 3000A Car Jump Starter. The Gillaway 001B is a 3000 amp car jump starter designed for 12V vehicles, which includes everything from cars and motorcycles to trucks and boats. With 3000 peak amps, this little device can jumpstart engines up to 10 liters of gasoline and 8 liters of diesel. It's versatile, powerful, and built for extreme conditions. What's in the box? All right, let's check out what comes in the box. We've got the jump starter itself, heavy-duty clamps, a Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and a convenient carrying case to keep everything organized. Everything you need is here. Main features and specifications. Now, let's talk specs and features, because this jump starter really has a lot to offer. Here are some key highlights. 3000 amps of peak current. This high amperage ensures it can handle larger vehicles like SUVs and trucks. Battery capacity. It has a 24,000 mAh lithium battery, which not only allows multiple jump starts on a single charge, but also doubles as a power bank. Smart protection system. Equipped with over 8 advanced safety technologies, it protects against short circuits, overtemperature, reverse polarity, overcurrent, overcharge, and more. This makes it incredibly safe for anyone to use. Fast charging. It's equipped with USB-C fast charging input and output ports, so it can charge your devices like phones, tablets, and other electronics at high speeds, as well as itself. LED flashlight. The built-in flashlight has 3 modes: normal, SOS, and strobe, perfect for emergencies at night or in low visibility conditions. How to use the Gillaway 001B for jump-starting a car. All right, let's see this jump starter in action. First, make sure your Gillaway 001B is fully charged. Next, connect the smart clamps to the jump starter and then to the car battery. The red clamp goes on the positive terminal and the black goes on the negative. When everything's connected correctly, the indicator light on the clamps will turn green, letting you know it's safe to jumpstart. Now hop in your car and turn the ignition. And just like that, your car is back to life. Power bank feature. Apart from jumpstarting, the Gillaway 001B also serves as a power bank. With USB-C and USB-A ports, it's perfect for charging smartphones, tablets, or even a laptop in a pinch. This is especially useful if you're out camping or on a long road trip without access to power. Flashlight and emergency use. The LED flashlight is another great feature. Just hold down the power button and it turns on. Tap again to switch between normal, SOS, and strobe modes. This can be crucial in a roadside emergency. Final thoughts. So is the Gillaway 001B worth it? In my opinion, absolutely yes. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile jump starter that can tackle a wide range of vehicles, this is a fantastic choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for views and tips on the best tools for your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.